What you hear in the song is a hole in a child's heart, who never knew their father from the start, never even had a chance to meet the man. Cause after mom gave birth, that man turned and ran. Don't know what it's like to experience a father's love. Send unanswered prayers to the man above. Try not to think about it, but sometimes that's hard. Like birthdays, but not so much as a freaking card. Don't you care about me? Don't you wanna know? Wonder how I'm doing? Wanna watch me grow? Have I seen you before? Cause I wouldn't know it. If you love me, you sure got a strange way to show it. I don't know nothing about you, you don't know nothing about me. Who's my favorite rapper? What's your favorite movie? These are things that we could share, but I can't do it alone. So father, if you're listening, then please come home.
Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home.
I think about you sometimes, where you live, what's your job? Do you have a new wife? Is she anything like mom? Do I have brothers and sisters that I never knew I had? Do you spend time with them? Do they call you dad? Do you take them to the movies and watch games with them? Do they get to introduce you to all their friends? I hate myself for saying I hate you, but I do. The simple fact is you probably hate me too. Why else would you leave me? Why else would you go? What's killing me is the thought that I'll never know. I used to pretend that you worked for the FBI, and after that you were a Secret Service spy. My friends all laughed at me when they found out I lied. That was the day I said I wish you had died, but I didn't really mean it. I say things when I get mad. It's just so hard without you, so come home, Dad.
Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home.
You don't have to get back with mom, you could do like my friends do. I spend the week with her and the weekend with you. You'd be really proud, she's worked hard to raise me right. She works a day job and another in the night, and she always finds a little time to spend with me. She wants to go back to college and get her degree. Sometimes I feel like I only get in the way. I've got nowhere to go, there's nowhere else I could stay. And sometimes I get mad at her too, like she's the reason that I don't have you. Maybe she did something that caused you to go. What's the big secret, will I ever know? They say time will help this hole in my heart close, but the older I get, it seems the wider it grows. Dad, come home and make the situation better. It's not all on you, we could work on this together.
Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad. Come home, Dad, Dad. Come home.